Unboxing your NEO XS hearing aids. Remove the box from the sleeve. Lift the flap to open the box. You'll find the Read Me First guide and the user manual on top. These contain a lot of useful information on how to get the most out of your hearing aids. Please read them in their entirety. Please review the charging information card, along with information on how to use your cleaning tool. It is important to replace the domes and wax guards every month. MDHearing has several sizes and styles of hearing aids available. The NEO XS hearing aids are housed in their charging case. The left aid is on the left, and the right aid is on the right. There are medium domes installed on your NEO XS hearing aids upon arrival. The NEO XS comes with several helpful accessories in the accessories box. These include the power adapter, your charging cord, extra domes, a cleaning tool, and wax guards. In the accessories box, you will also find small and large domes if the medium domes are not a good fit for you. Replacing the wax guards monthly is an important part of maintaining your NEO XS hearing aids. A starting supply of wax guards is included for your convenience. Unwrap your power adapter and your USB charging cable. Plug your USB cable into the power adapter. And plug the other end into the NEO XS charging case. Please charge your NEO XS hearing aids for 2 hours prior to use. Your NEO XS hearing aids come with everything you need to get started on the road to better hearing. We hope you enjoy your NEO XS hearing aids. For additional assistance, please contact MDHearing support at support@mdhearingaid.com or by calling 800-918-3914.